Get ready to experience the ultimate smartphone upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to debut in January 2025, and it's packed with a fresh design that will blow your mind. Exploding head with more rounded corners and softer edges, this device is not just a phone, it's a work of art. 调色版. But that's not all. The S25 Ultra also features new software that complements its revamped look, making it a powerhouse of performance and style. Laptop computer and, with a larger screen size and reduced bezels, you'll be fully immersed in your favorite content. Terebi. But don't just take our word for it. Tipster Ice Universe has given us a sneak peek into the S25 Ultra specs, and we're excited to share them with you. Shushing face, the new model will be slightly narrower, but with a larger display, measuring 77.6mm in width. That's a decrease from the S24 Ultra's 79mm, but the display width is projected to grow from 72.3 to 73mm. Jogi. And with slimmer side bezels, shrinking from 3.35mm to just 2.3mm, you'll enjoy a nearly 30% reduction in bezel size. Bar chart. That's right, folks, the S25 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a game changer. Oh no. With a bigger screen and narrower bezels, you'll feel like you're right in the action. Movie camera and, with slightly rounded corners, the S25 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a work of art. Artist palette. Samsung is focusing on harmonizing the design elements of its flagship lineup, and it shows. 笔记本电脑. But what does this mean for you? A larger display within a more compact body, improving ergonomics and making it more comfortable to hold for extended periods. Bar chart. That's right, folks, the S25 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a game changer. Oh no. As we eagerly await the launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can't help but feel a sense of excitement and caution. The potential design changes are thrilling, but we must approach them with a degree of caution. 思考的脸. But what's even more exciting is the performance upgrade that's coming our way. Rocket. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is set to be unveiled in October, and it's expected to deliver significant enhancements in both speed and efficiency. Collision. That means a faster, smoother, and more powerful device that will take your mobile experience to the next level. 上昇線グラフ. As we draw closer to the launch date, we can expect more definitive information to emerge. Soon, but for now, these initial leaks indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could represent a major upgrade, potentially raising the bar in the smartphone industry. 柱状图. So, what are your thoughts on the new slimmer bezels of this upcoming Galaxy device? Share your opinions in the comments below. Speed Balloon, and for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Television. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.